All right, guys, we are working today on the laundry room organization. So if you saw before, I did do a like remodel of this space a while back, and I'm all about making spaces look good because I believe that when you love your home or you love your space that you're in, you will keep it up. Like, you will organize it, you will want to be in it. So to love the space you're in. That doesn't mean you have to drop a pretty penny to make that happen. All you need is your two hands and sometimes just things around the house. And of course, you might need a little bit to go out and buy like a little can of paint or whatever. But little bits of money and a little bit of time can make your spaces go a long way. So I am actually going to be doing a few things in this space. All right, so let's go ahead and do a little tour for a before. So first thing I'm gonna do is, because there are things in here that need to be touched up, I'm gonna do that first because, again, when you love your space, you wanna be in it, you wanna do things. So I truly believe that since we've done this laundry room, I spend more time doing laundry in here. So one of the things that I need to do is, we used to have a big hole up there and I patched it a while back and I never sanded or painted it. So I'm gonna fix that because that is driving me crazy and it's one of those things that I really need to fix. There's also a few holes and spaces up here that need to be touched up and painted again. And then just cleaning. I'm gonna clean everything up. Second thing I'm gonna do, I did try to organize a while back by buying some of these bins, and they actually work pretty well for keeping things, but as you can tell now, we've just kind of thrown some things up here and this bin definitely needs to be gone through. So I'm gonna go through that. I'm gonna find some spaces for some other things, and then this corner is one of those corners that I need to figure out how to organize better. I just cleaned, so that rug's gonna go back out, but everything else just kind of gets shoved back here. Clean out your space, clean it up, paint it, do whatever you gotta do to get it to where you need to be, and then remove everything from it and organize it all one by one. So I decided to do it last night because I had the motivation, but I went through my bins and I just kind of reorganized them. I went through them and decided what I needed, what I didn't need. And as you can see, I just have very minimal things in here. So my biggest tip for small spaces, you don't need 500 of one kind of thing. So the only reason I even have two different kinds of laundry soap is because we have baby that still needs the Dreft, and then we do the regular stuff obviously, but we don't need any more than that. And then I have dryer sheets and I have the Unstoppables. We don't do laundry softeners, so I mean that's it for us. And then over here I have one extra roll of paper towels. The rest of them are in the garage. If you have to keep multiple ones, if you don't have a garage or whatever, then do that, but don't buy in bulk. I know it's hard not to because it's cheaper sometimes, but with small spaces, I find that I end up just having a ton extra laying around, and usually they're shoved in places and I forget about them anyway. So keep them where you can see, easy accessible. The way I've got my one little cleaning thing and my cleaning pads that go to my my Swiffer, and that's it. All of this junk I basically removed from that. It's all going to the garage. It's stuff that shouldn't be in here. Organized and kind of just polished off. I fixed all those little areas on the wall, got my hangers up, back here completely organized. I hung up the little footstool, I can talk. And then that is our laundry basket. Obviously it doesn't fit there like normally. I just bring that out, I roll it out when I do laundry. So most of the time that stays in our closet, but it's nice that I can just roll it over here. And sometimes I can just bring the single bag if I just want to do one load. And then I do have like little laundry baskets that I bring and I'll put up on top of the laundry, on top of the dryer or something if I need just a single bin. But most of the time I use that. So thanks for joining me. Here's my little laundry room. You can see the other side. Thanks for joining me. I had a fun time organizing with you guys. If you're interested in joining in the challenge and organizing your home alongside me, I'd love for you to join. So make sure you subscribe here on my YouTube channel as well as uniquelytailormade.com for your chance to win some of the fun organizing just things along the way. So hope you'll join. Bye, Kenneth. Bye. Bye, everyone.